things, but you are doing a good thing. So Hunor is
in the
assembling.
shopping mall
Wait,
is
we are
the
making a
screw
video,
picker.
Hunzi. We are making a video
Is
that you are
anything?
assembling the calculator. Yes, the
Yeah.
6 tiny screws, and Hunor is screwing back the tiny screws into the calculator. Good job. Összeszereli a számológépet. Tudományos it's a scientific calculator, yeah? Try it. Yes, we changed the battery. Does it work?
Yeah.
Cool. We may do it again because this battery inside is it's an old battery, but we didn't have a new battery at home. We tried to buy a new one. Okay.
In the dielectric mode, we press shift 7 and on.